filming?
Yeah, I'm filming.
Apologise. Start of this vlog, I want to apologise. I'm sorry, we've missed 2 weeks of vlogging. I have been away. I've been very, very busy. We had Sea to Sky, then I went away. Then we had Hispania, Billy won, so that was good. That was all worth it. And now I'm back to reality and I'm back to doing the vlogs. This is going to be, like I said to you, I've got 6 bikes for the school, and each one I'm going to do a bit of a bike check video, just to say the updates, what they've got, what they haven't got. So I wanted to start with this one. It is a Husqvarna FE250 2025 model. It's one of the school bikes. So I wanted to start with this one. Like I say, I'm going to do the same video with all of them.
Johnny's about to ruin it again.
He is, isn't he? Fucking you. He's not thinking for us, is he?
He's not thinking of the content, so.
No, he's not thinking of the content. Don't worry, we'll keep going because it's only a vlog, so it's just got to be, we're just here, aren't we? So this is, I haven't bought a standard Husqvarna for a very long time. I don't even think I have. I might have bought a 300. I think I might have bought a 300 a few years back. So I was really, really surprised with how good they come from standard. Like, obviously, you know the gases. You know what I mean? They don't come with nice triple clamps and that type of stuff, or they come with brake tech brakes and so on. So they're like, I think they're like the cheaper version of the bikes. And with, as I say, with Husqvarna, you're never really sure what you get from a standard bike. So I am really, really surprised how much you get. So we'll start at the rear. Michelin tyres from standard, so that's pretty good. Also, a massive, massive change on the 2025 models is Brembo brake systems. We all go out and buy Brembo brake systems because they come with brake tech, or they did come with Magura. So I think this is the first year that the actual enduro models come with Brembo brakes, so that's really cool. There's no changes that we've got to do there. Another big thing I was very impressed with is the fan kit. Comes with the fan kit already on the bike, so that's pretty cool. Also, it comes with the extra catchment tank for the radiator that's down in the front part of this tube. So that's another extra that you get. Also, really nice triple clamps. And also, I think on the new models is the closed cartridge forks. They've always been on the motocross, they've always been air forks. I'm not really sure what's been on the enduro models, to be honest with you, but I know these are the new closed cartridge ones, and they are meant to be really, really good. So I'm really excited to ride that just to see how it is. Also, it came with a skid plate as well, so that's a big advantage. You haven't got to go out. All these things that I'm saying is like, normally you get a bike and you have to go out and spend 150 quid on a fan kit, 100 quid on a skid plate. Then you end up going to spend probably 400-500 quid converting the brakes as well. So what this bike has got on, I am really, really impressed with. Also, it come with, I don't know if you can see it up here, the map switch as well. Normally they don't really come with them on, I don't think anyway. As I say, I might be wrong, but and it's got traction control and also quick shift. So that's a bit special, isn't it? You get to try that, Lena. You get to try the old quick shift.
Should we go and ride it?
Yeah, get the old quick shift going. With the school bike, like I said, I've put on the graphic kit as well. The 250F has come with 1452 gearing. So, like I said, I want to try and leave the bikes pretty standard, to be honest with you. I want to leave them pretty standard and just try them and see how much they are. I have got one negative thing to say. which is good. But if Laney comes round here, I can show him why it's a negative. If you come down here, you'll see.
I'll go get right in there.
Yeah, you'll see that this. And
dear.
if it was me, I would have come out of there and gone this side and then up here, rather than coming around the outside, because one, as I say, don't get me wrong, it's easy access, it's all good, but one, if you drop it on the side, there is a potential that you might catch that. So, as I say, it's, at the end of the day, it's standard from the factory. I'm not saying it's completely bad or anything like that. I'm just, I want to do an honest bike check video of it, just so I can give you guys some pointers and stuff like that. And on Billy's race bike, I have the join for the fuel connector underneath the seat at the top. So all this is one tube, and then it goes up the side of here and straight up to there. So if he does hit anything on the side, it's not going to break the fuel hose. So that's something, to be fair, it's quite easy to do. I'll maybe do another video of showing you guys what to do. But if you've got a complete tube, fuel line all the way up, and then you can just, in front of the battery under here, you can just put the connector on there, and away you go. Looking around the bike, like I said, I'm just really impressed with like how it's come from standard with the different things on.
Can we go and ride it now?
Yeah, should we go and ride it? Here we are, look. First ride out on the new machines. You ready? Let's go. Oh, look at this. I'm on the old 250F. We got an issue. This one won't start. I've disconnected the battery. Go on, mate. Probably 5 minutes from where the off-road experience starts, and this is on Johnny's land, so this is on private land, this little bit here.
extreme here, boys. Bob, Bob. Woo! Up there will be quite good. Mate, I live here. We're closer to my house. How's Laney doing? Oh, he's found it. He's found the easy route. Oh dear. That's the route, isn't it?
Yeah.
Alright, extreme Laney.
Extreme man. Ready for tongue. Ride everything.
And the best thing about here is obviously, fuck me, we've gone probably, it's been like a bit of a long loop, but we're always like 10-15 minutes away from
far from there,
away from there.
If something goes wrong with the bike, so
yeah, we can go back. Obviously, some of them we can take them on a bit of a longer one, but it's just at the end of the day, the off-road experience is keeping it quite close to the centre. Right.
So, let's get back in, mate.
Yeah, this is down to the thing now. Hop, hop, hop. Like I said, I don't know if you can hear me on there, but the first part of this vlog, I've done a bit of a bike check on this 250 that I'm riding, and then we've come for a little ride. So hopefully the video is probably going to be about 15 minutes long, and then when we get back now, I'll explain a little bit about the 250, what I think to it, and job done. Here we go, look, we're back at HQ.
This camera doesn't really like dark.
No cameras do, to be honest with you.
There we go. Right.
Cameras down.
Mate, you've earned your money today, I tell you.
I'll send the invoice, don't worry.
He's serious, earned his money. Bless him. So no, we got a lot of shit done. In this vlog, basically, there's the bike check at the start, and then I've been out and ride the 250, and we've just shown you around some of the place where we'll be running the off-road experience and the trail riding days. It's all pretty cool. Thoughts on the 250? I actually like it. I'm not gonna lie. I love riding the 250F. I just feel so much in control compared to like a 350, but I am gonna have a go on a 350. I'll do a bike check video on the 350 and have a go on it, and then like I said, I'll do it on the 300 and also on the 150 as well. But thanks very much. I'm sorry it's been so long. Laney's back, he's on the case. We filmed quite a lot today, so don't forget to like, subscribe, comment what you want to see. There'll be plenty happening through November because we're going to be giving updates all the way up until the launch of the website on the 1st of December. So stay tuned, and thank you very much, and we'll catch you in the next one.